Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, today's just letting you know that over on our Rumble channel, I have a video publishing that I can't put here. So that's all this video is about. It's an announcement because I did have yet another video removed by YouTube, and it's in regards to something you'll see right here. And if you want to learn about what that's about, plus a little bit more information I wanted to share that I can't share here on YouTube, go over to Rumble and check out the video publishing the same day as today. So it should be right towards the top, one of the first videos to see besides the one that's pinned to the top, because that's the first video I put over there because it was the first video that was removed off of YouTube. But because there's constantly here on YouTube ever-changing guidelines, ever-changing topics that they have deemed as taboo. A lot of us are finding are either videos being removed by YouTube or videos that we have to edit and put up on YouTube and then put the whole thing over on Rumble. This is why so many people have started Rumble channels, just to have another place where there's actually still free speech on topics such as natural healing and more. And to find my Rumble channel is always linked in the description box down below. So I'll make sure that link is pushed right up to the top of the description box. So make sure you click on more somewhere down here below the video screen to open the description box and find that link. So anyway, I hope to see you over there on Rumble, and thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.